Today, we will present the 60% development progress of our 2D psychological horror game, titled Whispers in the Dark, developed using the Godot engine. For the 60% progress of our game, Whispers in the Dark, the core gameplay mechanics are already fully functional and stable. First, we implemented the player movement system. The player can move left and right. The movement is responsive but intentionally not too fast, to maintain a feeling of vulnerability. Since this is a psychological horror game, we designed the movement to feel grounded and realistic rather than an arcade style. Second, we developed the interaction system using the E key. Whenever the player approaches an interactable object, pressing E triggers an action. These actions include opening doors, searching objects, and activating dialogues. Each interactable object uses an Area 2D detection system, which makes the interaction precise and modular. Third, we implemented a door and key progression system. Some doors require a specific key to unlock. The keys are stored in an invisible inventory system, meaning the player does not see a traditional inventory UI. This keeps the interface clean and supports immersion. Each door checks for a specific key ID, allowing multiple locked doors to function independently without affecting one another. Finally, we implemented smooth scene transition using fade effects. Each room is built as a separate scene with spawn markers, allowing seamless movement between areas. This modular structure ensures better organization and easier expansion in later development stages. Overall, the 60% progress, the core mechanics of movement, interaction, progression, dialogue, and scene transition are already completed. This strong foundation allows us to focus next on atmosphere, entity behavior, and advanced horror elements.
Hi guys, I'm Deo. At 60% progress, the core mechanics are complete but the major horror systems are scheduled for the 80% phase. First is the memory fragment system. Currently, there are no memory orbs or collectible story fragments in the game yet. In the next phase, players will be able to discover memory fragments hidden in specific objects and important rooms. These fragments will reveal short dialogues from people who appeared inside the building. This system will gradually uncover the backstory and encourage exploration, adding depth and replay value to the game. Second is the entity system. At this stage, there are no active enemies, no chase mechanics, and no jump scare triggers. In the 80% phase, we will introduce our major chase sequence. After the player obtains a key in room F, an entity will begin pursuing the player through multiple connected rooms. This will serve as the main tension climax of the game and significantly enhance the horror experience. These features will shift the game from structured exploration to full psychological horror.
In conclusion, at 60% progress, Whispers in the Dark already has complete and stable foundation. The core gameplay mechanics, movement system, interaction system, dialogue framework, cadre progression, and scene transition are fully functional. The map structure is complete and supports the intended flow of the game. The remaining development phase will focus on enhancing the horror experience through the implementation of the memory fragment system, entity chase, and mechanics, and advanced atmosphere design. This additional will deepen the narrative, increase tension, and create a stronger emotional impact for the player. Overall, the project is progressing according to plan, with a strong technical base that to allows to us to confidently move into the final stage of development and polishing. Thank you.